Hey y'all, it's your girl Renata Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I broke a nail. I broke a nail and it sucks. I'm going to repair this nail because I need this nail to complete the whole set. I have a project I'm about to do and I just need my nails to be done enough. And I'm not about to sit here and like redo all of my nails. I was trying to get a good angle so you could really see just how broken it was. I thought it split down to the base. Thank God it didn't, because that way it didn't bleed. So to start off repairs, I'm going to just cut off the nail. I'm cutting it off in a way where I don't do additional splitting to it. Don't want that to happen. So I got out these, I don't know what you call them. They're in my manicure set. They're not tweezers, but some type of scissor plier things, don't know. And I cut off the rest of that nail. These are my nails, y'all. Like, these are not no type of extension. They're mine. They're mine, so it hurts a little more. But cut it off, and then I get out my nail drill and my bit, and I drill off the gel polish, the rest of it's on that nail. And then I soak, use some pure acetone, and I soak off the rest of that polish. I wait about 15 minutes, and then I scrape off the rest of the polish. And there you can see my, bit of a nail that's left. I go ahead and I file it down so that it's, even across. And then I pull out my Gel X nails and I fit it as best as I can to my nail, like find the one that fits best. I am using, what is this stuff called? I am using what's this? This is step 3 of like the Opre Gel X system. You use this on the actual Gel X nail, and it helps to make the nail tacky so that when you're ready to glue it on, it adheres better. So I'm putting that on the Gel X nail to prep it for when I get ready. Now I'm going in with the Gel Extend, and I'm putting that on my nail, a thin layer of that on my nail, and then I cure it. I also use the same thing as my gel overlay before I do, my nails, and just like do gel polish without the the Gel X, I don't know, false nail, extend nail, whatever. I use that and I cure for about 30 seconds. And now I'm going in with some more of that Gel X Extend stuff. And I put a little glob of that on the inside of the Gel X nail. And I attach it that way. And then I hold it down. I hold it under the UV light thing. I forgot what you call these things. It's the whole system that's by like Opre. It's on the site. You can see what I'm talking about, because I feel like I'm not describing things correctly, but hopefully you get what I mean. You see what I'm doing. So I hold it under the light for about 15-20 seconds, and then once I'm done with that, I go put my hand under the whole lamp so that I can cure even like under the nail, especially when I have like extra gel squeezing out and I don't care to go back and go get it, honestly, because you can't see it under the polish. But then I go in and I file down the Gel X nail to try to get it to like, be like the same length as my nail so it can blend better. And then luckily the nail that I broke, it wasn't one that had more of a design to it. So I just went in with like that nice coral pink shade. I did a couple layers of that. Yeah, about 2 layers of that. And I cured each one for about 30-40 seconds. And then I go in with like a glittery gel polish, but I also add in like some loose, it's not glitter, it's like chunky like foil pieces type thing, but it's not foil because it's not as flat as foil, but it's bigger than glitter, but it's like the size of foil. But look, y'all, I'm trying my best with the description. I put some of that inside of the clear glittery polish and I mix it in. I feel like when I do it this way, I don't have like rough edges on top, and it blends in better with the clear polish, so I get more of an effect without it feeling like rough edges that could scratch my face if I like wipe my face with like the back of my hand. I put that on the edge in the same manner as I did my other nails with that type of design, so that it could blend in. After I finish that, then I cure that for about 30 seconds or so, and then we go in with a couple coats of a top coat, girl. And that's that on that. It blends in well as far as the design of it. But because my nails are my nails, I can clearly tell the difference, which one is the fake nail. But I think, for the sake of this project, it blends in. It's much better look than having 9 nails done in one short nail. I hope this helps you guys. If you were to break a nail, then this gives you an idea of how to repair it, instead of just cutting them all off. After, I do this set, like once I take this off, I am going to just cut all my nails off and just start over. But yeah, in the meantime, before I do that and get me through my project, now I have 10 nails with some length to it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see y'all next time, another video. Bye.